How to put Japanese letters on Roblox display name. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open any of your preferred web application and at the top search bar type in roblox.com. Once you have done that, get logged into your Roblox account through a web browser, and here you will see a gear icon like this. Click onto it and click on Settings. Now first of all, in order to edit our display name, go ahead and open up a new browser. At the top search bar type in Google Translate, and here make sure one is English or whatever and another is Japanese. Now type in the text that you would like to translate and it will appear like this. Let's go ahead and copy the translated language. Head back to our previous page, and here under account info you will see display name. Click onto pencil icon here. Now, once you have done that, make sure that your letter is more than 3 words. And once you've done that, all you have to do is click on to save. But also be noted, your display name can only be changed once every 7 days. Once done, click on to save. Just like so, this is how you can change your display name in Roblox. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.